Hi everyone, today I'm going to present to you 6 best-selling products for this year 2023. Hi everyone, today I'm going to present to you 6 best-selling products for this year 2023. Hi everyone, today I'm going to The first product, Altai Balance, is one of the world's best-selling product. It targets the blood sugar level and controls weight loss. Check it out on the link. The second product, Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X. This product doesn't contain any caffeine. For more information, click on the link above. The second product, Beyond 40, the third product. It burns stubborn fat like crazy. Increase fat burning, decrease hunger, supports healthy blood sugar, increase weight loss, and increase longevity. This product is called Carbo Fix. Click on the link for more information. The fourth product, Customized Keto Diet. It's an 8-week course fully customized keto diet plan for your weight loss goals and food preference. It will customize your keto diet plans and meals. Get yours today. The fifth product, Burn Fat by Sleeping. It will block your body from storing ugly fat. Get yours today now. Click on the link. The fifth product, Burn Fat by Sleeping. It will block the sixth product, burns 728% faster fat, dissolve fat overnight. Get yours now. The sixth product, burns 728%